What all are the top good qualities of a project manager? For a person to be good project manager, he has to be a good human being and he should be treating all his associates like human beings unlike any other physical mere resources. So here in this video we are going to understand what all are the top 10 qualities that would make a person a good project manager. Let us get started. Here we can see the first quality is empathetic. The person has to be empathetic with his associates, with his seniors, and with his peers and colleagues. Then only he will be able to understand the other person's issues or feelings that the other people go with. And then only he will be able to lead better, lead the team better, and he can be a good leader. The second quality is enabler. He should not just throw work on his associates and pressurize them to finish that work. He should enable them, he should facilitate them, he should serve them, and he should help them to get through that particular task or the work that he is assigning to his associates. A person should not just keep on loading his team or associates, he should think of how he can enable them to get work done in a smarter way. He should always play the role of a catalyst for the team, for the associates, for the team members. The third important quality is focused. A project manager must not lose his focus on his project success. No matter what comes, there is no excuse for a project manager to present if the project fails. He cannot give any excuse like he had problems with his seniors, or he was occupied with his juniors or associates, or he was not getting all the inputs on time from his supplier. So that all is his responsibility. He cannot present any of such reasons as excuses for the project failure. The fourth important quality is responsible. The project manager as a person has to carry that responsibility with him 100%, and he cannot blame anybody else for project failure or problems in the project. The fifth important quality is mentor. He has to be a mentor for his team. He should be a good teacher for his team. He should be able to make his team learn from him and how to get things get done and how to move ahead. He should have a very broader vision about the project, the long term vision. He should be visionary and he should be able to provide that vision to his associates also. There is no game of individual contribution. It is all about teamwork. So he has to inculcate that kind of spirit in the team so that people will be able to resonate with him and they will be able to work as a team and get success. The project manager has to be optimistic. He should not be worried with the problems that come up, or if there are any issues in the team or there are any conflicts in the team. He should always try to find out solutions for them and get going. No matter what kind of conflicts that go on in the team, be it between the team members, be it with the other stakeholders of the project or anybody. So he has to be optimistic, calm, and he has to treat all those issues and problems with peace, and he should be able to get things done. So he has to carry that kind of positive mindset. The next important quality is collaborative. He should collaborate with the team, he should collaborate with the supplier, he should collaborate with the customer. He cannot behave as a boss with his team. because that will not give a good feeling even for the team or the project environment. He should create a collaborative environment where everybody gets a chance to interact, to express, and to come out with the problems and to explore solutions and to have a very good environment. The last but not the least is the learner. A project manager himself has to be a learner all along the path. He should not think that he knows everything and he is there to guide his team. He might be guiding the team, he might be providing directions to his team members, but he also has to understand that is also a learner himself. He has to learn from mistakes, he has to learn from other people, he even learns from his subordinates, associates. So he has to be a lifelong learner to be a successful leader, to successfully lead a team and to manage a project, to lead a project and to execute a project successfully and to bring out that project outcome in an effective manner. So these are the top 10 qualities of a good project manager. We might be having many other traits and qualities which are suggested in the book, but these are the bare minimum or the minimum qualities that a project manager must have so as to execute a project. The technical skills he might be learning through his project journey, but there are some qualities, some traits he must bear or he must develop in himself so as to lead the team, so as to lead a project and so as to represent a project. So these are the top 10 qualities of a good project manager. And if you like this video, you please subscribe to my channel and register for my next live webinar in the link given below. See you in the live webinar. Thank you. Bye.